still be forever, always, every moment. Even the face of greatest joy. My thoughts will be all yours, my mind. And when the search comes at the end of the road, be it death, be it loneliness, I'll be your abode. I'd say of the love we once knew, that is not immortal, but a flame that grew. For the love we shared, so intense and true, doesn't need to be fruitful too.
Keluar sosial.
When the search comes at the end of the road, be it death, be it loneliness, I'll be your abode. I'd say of the love we once knew, that is not immortal, but a flame that grew. For the love we shared, so intense, doesn't need to be fruitful too. In memory and heart, it'll forever glow, like a flame that burns, an eternal show. Every moment, my love, I'll be tempted, with still and forever always. Every moment, in another face, the greatest charm. My thoughts will be all yours. And when the search comes at the end of the road, be it death, be it loneliness, I'll be your abode. I'd say of the love we once knew, that it's not immortal, but a flame that grew. For the love we shared, so intense and true, doesn't need to be eternal to be fruitful too. In memory and heart, it'll forever glow, like a flame that burns, an eternal show.
I'm standing on the highest ledge, right on the world's most windy edge, and making a brand new pledge. To never lose fear, to make my purpose crystal clear. The reason that I'm standing here, my heart is beating like a drum for all the things that are to come. Take a breath and make the leap, a promise I will always keep. This is the adventure of a lifetime, a moment that is so sublime. I'm in my own truth, committing a most perfect crime. The adventure of a lifetime, ringing my own victory chime. The adventure of a lifetime, I am not wasting any time. The world is rushing past my face in this amazing magic place. I'm running in a different race. Not one of slow and steady pace, but one of style and one of grace. A challenge I will now embrace. The adrenaline is all I need to plan a new and hopeful scene. You only get one life to live, so take the chances that it gives. Be brave and strong and positive, and
find a new